Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into OneXBet. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down OneXBet login and enter it after you're done. And after that, from the search results, you need to select the first option that says OneXBet. After that, in the top right corner, there's this login option. Click on that, and in order to log in, you are required for your ID or email as well as your password. Simply type down your ID or your email and your password as well, and after that, click on the login option, and then you'll be successfully logged into your OneXBet. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, then click in this option that says forgot your password in order to recover or reset it. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.